In this video, we will talk about the endocardial cushions and valves of the heart. So, class, have you ever thought that how heart converts into 4 chambers? Isn't it a miracle?
Ma'am, there must be no process of cleavage like that was carried out in the initial development of embryo?
You are right, John. Let me solve these questions for you. This is common atrioventricular canal.
Ma'am, the atrioventricular canal is a canal that connects the primitive atrium and ventricle.
Yes, John. Now, at the end of week 4, endocardial cushion bulge outwards.
Ma'am, endocardium of the anterior and posterior walls of the atrioventricular canal thicken and bulge outwards into the canal's lumen. These are the endocardial cushions.
Yes, Jerry. You are right. This is superior endocardial cushion. And this is inferior endocardial cushion. In the next step, by the end of week 6, they meet in the middle. So in next step, there is splitting the atrioventricular canal into 2 canals. This is left atrioventricular canal. And this is right atrioventricular canal.
Ma'am, it means right and left atrioventricular canal connects the primitive atrium and ventricle.
Yes, John. Now, any 3 students who can repeat the main events of atrioventricular canal formation?
Yes, ma'am. Walls of the atrioventricular canal thicken and bulge outwards.
They meet in the middle.
Then, finally, splitting the atrioventricular canal into 2 canals.
Yes. All of you are right. Now, let's talk about the valves of the heart. But before discussing the development of valves, medical class, tell me, what is the function of the valve of heart?
Ma'am, the valves of the heart ensure unidirectional blood flow, allowing blood to move efficiently through the different chambers of the heart and into the circulation. They open and close in response to pressure changes within the heart, ensuring that blood flows in the correct direction and preventing any regurgitation or backflow. The coordinated opening and closing of the valves contribute to the efficient pumping action of the heart and help maintain proper circulation throughout the body.
Now, let's discuss the development of valves. We have discussed that these are primitive atria. This is bulbus cordis. And this is primitive ventricle. When both the endocardial cushion combine, they form septum intermedium. Now, some of the endocardial cells move out as a valve. Now, there is connection between the valves as ring, thin connections to the walls of the ventricles. These connections develop into the fibrous chordae tendineae, with papillary muscles at their ventricular ends. The left atrioventricular valve develops 2 leaflets, so-called as the bicuspid valve, and the right atrioventricular valve usually develops 3, so-called as the tricuspid valve. So, class, this was all. In our next video, we will talk about the heart atrium.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.